Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just showing the behind the scene process of making a boo dress. Here I am stitching down the strip that is going to be used for the center front to add extra color to my Ankara fabric. That is stitching it down on a 1/2 inch sewing allowance. And then in this video, I am stitching down on a half inch sewing allowance as well, the bubu itself. That's the side seam I'm making in that video. I'm stitching it down by 1/2 inch sewing allowance on the side seam, and then I'm making sure that each fabric aligns, right sides facing each other, and stitching a straight line on the side of the boo dress. Here I've gone on to start serging. Serging is a very important part of cloth making. It's one stitch that you can use to make sure the sides or the edges are finished neatly. The edges, the inner of your clothing are all finished very neatly. So that's me serging. I'm serging now after sewing the 1/2 inch. So I'm just serging to tidy off the edges of the boo dress so that the inside looks all clean and neat. Notice that the serger also cuts off the excess fabrics and trims it so that the side looks all very neat and nice, so that the inside of the garment is as clean as the outside. That's the end result. That's the boo dress I made. If you'd like me to show the step-by-step tutorial of how this is made, please comment below. That's me finishing off the end. That's the hem. That's the hem now that I'm finishing off in this video. I'm finishing off the hem by tucking it in, folding it 1/2 inch twice, and then just stitching down, ensuring that it's nice and neat, just like every other side. So that's a rolled hem that I'm doing there in the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do well to subscribe today, and feel free to share my videos to your friends and family to increase my views on here. Thank you for watching, and I do hope to see you in my next video. If you're seeing my video for the first time, please feel free to go through my playlist. There's so many videos I've shared in the past that could be very helpful to you, and you will definitely be glad that you came across this channel. So as I was saying, that is me now trying to finish off the hem of the bubble dress, just tucking it in nice and neat, ensuring that it's 1/2 inch folded twice, and then just stitching it down, and at the end reversing to finish it off nicely. Now I've gone on to ironing. Ironing is an underrated but very important part of sewing. Always ensure that you iron, you steam press, because it makes your outcome very good.